Ravi is one variable. After that, Suman is one more variable. Okay. Now one more variable. Take Raja. Raja is a variable. How many variables I have passed here? Okay. Now print Raja. You take. Okay. Now this equal to what? You need to pass tuple 1 to whom it is to be unpacked. It is to be unpacked. Now this tuple created with these how many 5 values. Now this is called packing. Now it is called what? Packing of a tuple. Now packing of a tuple. Now these values to be unpacked to variables, but 5 values are there too. We need to pass 5 variables, but only 3 variables. Okay, if I pass total variables, then it is okay. Total variables, so it will print somewhat Jagat. Okay, it is one more variable, and then here you need to pass that Jagat. Okay, and then you need to pass 5th one is that Jagan. Now you try to print okay, Jagan. Okay, now come down here. So whenever you take a printout of tuple, okay, so now let us see what happened here. Unpacking will be done for all. They are unpacked. 10.8 means 10 assigned to Ravi, 10.8 assigned to Suman, Vasu is assigned to Raja, and True is assigned to, so like that, because as per the values, packing of all the values, you have provided the variables, equal variables for equal number of values, equal number of variables you have provided. Then there is no any problem is where if you have provided only 3 means for the 5 values you have provided 3 variables, so that moment you are not providing equal, so that moment keep the star, the end of the variable, that moment. So these are giving error because you have not, this is what, because you are not providing the variables here, that's why it is giving error. You comment here. So now what happened, at the end of you kept star mark, these 2 variables assigned with these 2 values, so the rest of the values assigned to Raja as a list. Now come down here, you see here what is happening. Okay, now one list created with the remaining values. Okay, until you means these values are assigned to this Raja variable. So whenever you provide equal variables, so unpacking will be done. Okay, so that moment if you provide the star mark at the end of the Raja, that is okay, but if you provide mid of any variable, that moment what happened, try to understand. Now this 10 will be 10 value allotted to this Ravi, but rest of the values will be assigned to this Suman variable as a list. Okay, understand that. Why? Because Ravi is this variable assigned with this value, and Raja is assigned with what value? 4j, last value, and this for the Suman, rest of the all values assigned as a what is that, 10.8 Vasu, 10.8 Vasu, Ravi is assigned with 10. Okay, next 10.8 Vasu, True, they are assigned with this Suman variable. Now 4j is assigned for Raja. Okay, understood that, because you have kept the star mark here. Okay, because by excluding this Suman, where you have kept the star mark. Remaining two variables are there. For the two variables, two values are assigned, 10 for Ravi and 4J for Raja. Rest of the values assigned for Suman as a list until you will not provide all the equal equal variables to values. Okay, here, so in a, that is what if we provide equal variables to number of values of tuple, unpacking done, okay. But if we provide not equal to, if you provide variables not equal to values, then we need to keep star mark. That is called star mark, means asterisk. Okay, asterisk. Okay, asterisk, where we need to keep asterisk values, then we need to keep asterisk at end of variable. Okay, one is that. So if you keep star asterisk at end of variable, so we can comment like this, remaining values assigned to asterisk variable, asterisk star variable. Okay, asterisk star variable. So wherever we have kept the star, okay, for that star variable, asterisk, wherever we have kept it the star variable, for that star variable, remaining values assigned to star as a list. Okay, as a list. So next is what, if we keep star at mid of any variable, so remaining values assigned to remaining values assigned to star variable at mid of tuple. So wherever at the mid of tuple, the star assigned. Now in the previous I told you that star marked at end of the variable, but now here star marked at mid of any variable. So now the values assigned to that variable marked at mid of the tuple. Okay, mid of the tuple. So okay, now this is called unpacking. So now next we will try to understand looping. What? Loop through tuple. So looping through tuple means by for loop while loop, by using for loop while loop, we will loop iterate through all values by indexing. Okay, and one by one the values will be printed. We will use the for loop